welcome to Active Education Pro. In this video we will learn some more formula. We will learn about some more formula, derivation of formula by step, or we normally say it the formula as is on mathematical identities. This formula commonly known as mathematical identities we use in mathematics for our easy calculation. So let's start derivation of formula. In my last video I told you about a plus b whole cube, and its formula is aq plus bq plus 3ab into a plus b. But now our task is aq plus bq. Here the task is aq plus bq. So we need aq plus bq. So take this term to this side. Then it will become a plus bq minus 3ab into a plus b. It is completely one term because there is a product, so need not to change its sign of a plus b, just change its sign of the term. This term is plus 3ab into a plus b. When we take it to other side, so we change its sign, means positive to negative, but here there is no changes in sign because it is a factor of this term. Here it is a factor and it is another factor, but completely this is one term. So change the sign of terms, not factors. So I change it the sign of terms. Okay, now we can express it as a plus b whole square into a plus b. We can write here as a plus b square into a plus b is a plus b whole cube, because power is 3 here, 2 plus 1 power is 3, and then just write it 3ab into a plus b. There are two terms, one first term and this is second term. In both these two terms a plus b is common, so take the a plus b as our common factor. By taking a plus b as a common factor, the remaining factors are a plus b whole square, and here by taking a plus b common factor, minus 3ab is left over. Then write here a plus b and then solve it. A plus b square whole square, a plus b whole square, we know the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab and minus 3ab, and just write minus 3ab and then solve it. A plus b into a square plus b square, because there are no like terms of a square and b square, but these both terms are like terms. So by applying sign rules, it will become minus ab. Here 3 is greater than 2 and sign of greater number is minus, so put the minus sign and opposite sign, then subtract the numeric. 3 minus 2 will become 1, and just write the variable, so it will become minus ab. It is a formula of aq plus bq. It is an factorial formula of aq plus bq. It is factor of here first factor, and here this is the second factor of aq plus bq. Next, evaluate the value of aq minus bq. Normally we know a minus b whole cube. The formula is aq minus bq minus 3ab into a minus b. A minus b whole cube formula is aq minus bq minus 3ab into a minus b. Then we need aq minus bq, so keep it as same as, and then transfer this term to opposite side, to other side, means left side. It will become a minus bq plus 3ab into a minus b. Similarly, in my previous question I shared you that just change the sign of terms, not factors, so that we change the sign of terms, not factors, and then simplify it. A minus b whole square into a minus b. We can write a minus b whole square into a minus b, then plus 3ab into a minus b. Then taking the common factor a minus b. A minus b is the common factor, and the remaining factors of the terms are a minus b whole square, then plus 3ab. Again I repeat it. Here there are two terms. First term is a minus b square into a minus b, and the second term is 3ab into a minus b. In these terms, both are carrying a minus b as their common factor. So by taking the common factor, the remaining terms are a minus b whole square plus 3ab, and then simplify it again. A minus b into a square minus plus b square minus 2ab. We know the formula of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then write plus 3ab. First simplify the a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and as well as write the remaining terms plus 3ab, and then again simplify it. A minus b into a square plus b square. These both terms are like terms, so your answer will be plus ab because they are of opposite sign. So put the sign of greater numeric, and here the greater numeric is 3 and sign is positive, so put the sign mark, and opposite sign, so subtract the numeric. 3 minus 2 it will be 1, and just write the variable ab, and it is your answer of aq minus bq. It is also the factorial formula of aq minus bq. In my previous video, in my last video, I told you about some formulas, some identities. They are in their term form. They are of consisting of some terms. Their formula consisting of some terms. But in this video, we show you the formula of aq plus bq here and aq minus bq here. They are consisting of factors a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, and here the formula of aq plus bq is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Both these formula consisting of factors, not terms. They are factors consisting of terms, but this main formula is consisting of factors. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video. Thank you.